Hey, welcome back to MP Trust Streets TV. It is me, Alicia here, all things MP Trust Streets, and today I'm talking to you about the Stargazer My Best Hair Kit. What's a My Best Hair Kit? A My Best Hair Kit is everything you need to live your best hair life, to make sure every day is your most amazing hair day. A My Best Hair Kit does include a bonnet, scrunchie, and a scarf, which gives you the range, the flexibility, the versatility to sleep with your hair, to protect your hair in many different ways. You can use your scarf during the day, you can sleep with your scarf at night, you can use your scarf to cover your pillow, you can do a combination. Okay, so again, I'm talking to you about the Stargazer My Best Hair Kit. So this is a scarf, freaking gorgeous, so freaking gorgeous. It is only available in this My Best Hair Kit, so sorry. This is it. It's orange with some champagne and some tan and some cappuccino and super cute. And then this is the champagne bonnet. It's a very soft color, very neutral color. And then it comes with a medium scrunchie. The My Best Hair Kits do come in the adult sizes only, which is regular, medium, and BAB. If you have any questions about the bonnet sizes, check out the Our Bonnet link on the website, or what size bonnet is right for me video on the YouTube channel. So again, you can, with your My Best Hair Kit, you can, sleep with your scarf at night. Like, you can go, full pineapple, right? I'm going to do a quick pineapple, right? So I'm going to do a quick pineapple, boom, boom, right? And then, of course, you don't want to sleep with your earrings on, because duh, why would I sleep with my hoops? But you can do that, and then you could take your bonnet and then just pull it over like this. Double protection. So that is just one of the many options you can do. And then, you're going to take it off and then shake it out in the morning, and then you are ready to go. Or you can do a pineapple with your a scrunchie. You can cover your pillowcase with you can cover your pillow with your scarf, so you're not sleeping on a cotton pillowcase. And then you can literally take it off in the morning, wash it with our bonnet wash, hang it to dry, and then it is ready when you come home after you have your daily events, whatever your daily events are, school, work, life, Another thing is, the scarf is so beautiful. Like, you can definitely wear it as a shirt, because it is about to be summer. So literally just take it, boom, boom, tie it in the back, and you are ready. So again, this is the Stargazer My Best Hair Kit. It is the Stargazer bonnet along with, the Stargazer scarf along with the champagne bonnet. So it's available at mptruststreets.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be updated on what's new, so you know the latest and greatest at MP Trust Streets. Don't forget to hit the bells and play with my bells and whistles and all that fun stuff. Thank you for watching. Love ya. Bye.